Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to take partials on TopstepX. Want to take partial profits on TopstepX? While there's no dedicated partial exit button, you can easily scale out manually. First, use the depth of market or DOM. After entering a position, click your order on the DOM or chart, then drag it to your target price to exit part of the trade, like selling one of two contracts. Double tapping your entry lets you slide up or down to set stop loss or take profit levels. Second, place multiple limit orders, sell a portion at price A, then set another at a different level to capture more gains later. Third, try bracket settings and settings under risk settings. Enable default risk and profit parameters. This automatically applies SL and TP to your full position, and you can then manually add another TP limit for any remaining contracts. Simple, precise, and perfect for maximizing your trade management. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.